Hey, what's up, guys? Today I actually got the this box. Um, I ordered it maybe a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, maybe. Um, I was watching. What's her name? Raw Beauty Christy. I think she's hilarious. She's a great YouTuber. But I was like, do I want to do this unboxing in the morning? And I was like, no, I'll do it right now. And then I'll do a look in the morning, maybe. But the reason I wanted to record this is because, in case anything is broken, I have video proof of it. So I can say that I broke it. So, you see, there's tape everywhere. No undamaged. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. I was gonna do this with Athena, but she fell asleep, so it's just me now. Blood sugar. Blue blood. I got 2 blue bloods. It's a pretty sick picture. I'm about to give birth. My heart hurts. Oh my god. You know what this smells like? It smells like what is it? Why does it smell like Payless a little bit? Like when I was little, I used to go to Payless, and like this smells like that. This reminds me of Payless so much. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay. We got that one. Don't get the blood sugar. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Why do I really like this shit right there? I like those shades that make you look like tired or dead. I love this so much. Oh, I want to see them side by side. Hold on. I know he tried to make this into a coffin, but I wish he used that like fake leather on it. Oh my god, I love that with the alien one. Oh my god, I can't even open it. You know what? Okay, so something that I wanted to do right is do oh, hold on. I don't even know if I can hold them both up. So, this is so scary. But I wanted to do I saw Aquaman the other day, and you know that girl with red hair, Mara? Yeah, Mara. She's like that princess. I wanted to do like a reddish look, but I wanted to put that one and like that one. Because I feel like that's the color of her suit. And then I can go with reds for the other one. So I think for the videos that I'm gonna do one inspired by her, and then I'm gonna do like a blue blending to purple, blending to red on this side, and then I'm gonna do what else was I gonna do? I don't remember. Oh yeah, I was gonna do this using every eyeshadow in this on one eye, and then like in a different video I was gonna do like one. I'm gonna use all 18 shadows for the blue blood on this eye as well, but like two different videos, you know. Oh my god, I love this. I'm actually gonna open both palettes. One is gonna be for a giveaway. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, so don't even ask me. Well, you should ask me, but do you see that little white line right there? I'm gonna go check the other one to see if it has it. And if it doesn't, well, I'm gonna switch it. But I don't want you to know that I did that, so I'm gonna slip it out of the side over here. And then I can just slip it back in. Ooh. Let's see. Yeah, this one doesn't have it, but I need to analyze them together side by side. Let's see. I'm gonna need my trusty light here. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the second one, and then I'll give the second one. Oh no, I'll give the first one away. You know what I was thinking? Hold on. Oh wait, which one am I giving away? Ooh, something that's a good thing and a bad thing about these palettes is that they are hard to open. Should I like swatch the one that I'm gonna give away? What am I doing with my life? Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. So this is what I'm gonna give away, but I want to show you something. Hold on. Let me go bring that blood. No, the alien. Be right back. So, I don't know if any of you guys watched Avatar: The Last Airbender, but if you look at this one, this gives me like, I mean, kinda, but not really, but kinda, like Earthbender, green, brown vibe, and like darker colors. I mean, not really, but kinda. And then you got the Firebender, and then you have, of course, the Waterbender, which means we're missing an Airbender. Oh my god, I want to play with these shadows. I think I want to swatch, like, what is this? There's like a weird bump right here. What is that? It's like glue. Oh my god, I need to take a picture of this stat. Okay. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, maybe, probably. I probably will, probably won't. Yeah. See you later, guys.